What's the Ally Bank routing number? Intro. Question: have you ever found yourself staring at a blank check, scratching your head and wondering, where do I put the routing number? Well, if you're banking with Ally, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the Ally Bank routing number, and by the end of this video, you'll be an expert on the subject. Understanding routing numbers. Brief explanation. Before we get into the specifics of Ally Bank, let's quickly understand what a routing number is. It's essentially a numerical code that identifies the financial institution where your account is located. Think of it as the postal code for your money. Importance. Why is the routing number so important? Well, it's crucial for a variety of financial transactions, including writing checks, setting up direct deposits, making wire transfers, and more. Ally Bank routing number. Direct answer. So, what is the Ally Bank routing number? Insert the Ally Bank routing number here. Verification. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why can't I just Google it? Well, you could, but there's a chance you might find outdated or incorrect information. That's why it's always best to get your routing number directly from the source, which in this case is Ally Bank itself. How to find your Ally Bank routing number. Online banking. The easiest way to find your Ally Bank routing number is through online banking. Simply log into your account, navigate to the Settings or Account Information section, and look for the routing number. Mobile app. If you prefer using the Ally Bank mobile app, you can follow similar steps to locate your routing number. Customer service. If you're having trouble finding your routing number online, don't hesitate to contact Ally Bank's customer service. They'll be happy to assist you. Common routing number mistakes. Mistakes to avoid. While finding your Ally Bank routing number is relatively straightforward, there are a few common mistakes that people make. Incorrect number. Double-check the routing number to ensure you've entered it correctly. Even a single-digit error can cause your transaction to fail. Outdated information. If you've recently moved your account or made changes to your banking information, it's essential to update your routing number accordingly. Consequences of errors. Making a mistake with your routing number can lead to delays, fees, and other inconveniences. Additional tips. Keep a record. It's a good idea to keep a record of your Ally Bank routing number in a safe place for future reference. Verify with recipient. When making payments to someone else, always verify their routing number to avoid errors. Conclusion. Recap. So, to recap, the Ally Bank routing number is, insert the routing number here. Finding your routing number is easy, and it's essential for various financial transactions. Call to action. If you have any further questions about Ally Bank or need assistance with your account, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service. Ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.